As a fashion designer, you may ask yourself, how can I get further with my business and get more clients, have more sales, so I can have more freedom for myself and hire more people to help me grow so I can pay myself? I must say, as a fashion coach and business expert, I do understand your pain. And where you now, I work with many fashion designers and I see how this common pattern is repeating over and over again. Most of you need help to get where you want to be. You just don't know where to look for. As a business owner, I build my business around one unique mission: to help emerging fashion brands grow faster with less money. Let me clarify how I, a fashion coach, work and what my day looks like. Let's dive in. When I start my day, I always start with yoga and meditation. This is necessary for me in order to feel better about myself and my day, find my roots, wake up my body, and remember how important the role I have is in my life and my business. Without my body functioning, I would not be able to do what I do. So I stretch my body and I do whatever requires to keep it in shape and feel it. Meditation is an important part of my day because it gives me moments of silence in my daily life and keeps me centered on what is important. It's bigger than me, I mean the physical me, and gives me direction on where to go as I fulfill the bigger role with I'm Fashion and what I do. Like someone once said, meditation is a way to look inside you, because you closing your eyes, you see what is inside, hidden inside, in the dark side of you and not outside. By closing your eyes and just breathing, you create a connection with your higher self and build a new reality for yourself. Then writing. Writing is another important part of my day. I start my work day with writing. I read books and write down whatever ideas comes to my mind. This is how I manage to structure my ideas, get clear thinking, and plan my future. In fact, what you do today shapes your near future and can help you create the life you dream of. Without writing, you put yourself in a weak position where you run after the stuff needed to be done, while when you write, you shape your day and know what is important and what is a noise. By writing down your ideas, which some people can call journaling, you can come up with genius ideas that you never thought you would be capable of having because you never had time to think about it. In the book called The Great CEO Within by Matt Morchery, he calls top goal time. By dedicating your time to the top goal daily, 1 or 2 hours a day, every single day, you will go much further in what you plan to do, because when you manage a company, what counts most is not how many things you can accomplish in a day, but how far can you see and who can help you to go there. So I write to think and then to do what I've written as a priority to me. By writing, I don't rush into my day executing what needs to be done, but rather planning out who will do what I need to accomplish in my life and how can I get more efficiently to where I want to be in a few years. I really recommend starting every single day with writing and reading. Our morning's hours are the best time for this type of intellectual activity. Think of it as a means of transport. If you take a bike, for instance, early in the morning to come to the place you need to be in few hours because you decided to accomplish very quickly this task and this is in your to-do list and you need to go there and you take your bike. Or you take your time to think, where can I get a car so I can get there in 10 minutes rather than spend the whole day riding a bike. Using the right transport means you can get there faster and you don't need to choose the most underperforming tool just because you have it. You can choose a faster means of transportation just because you think first. So you think first about who can give you this tool, so you enjoy your time of silence and writing and not rushing everywhere early in the morning. It's just an example, but you see what I mean. Then I switched to my daily activity, which is starting my meetings with my team. discuss what is important for us as a team to move forward with the company, share the ideas that I've written earlier, see who can take the task to move on, or what other resources that we need or that are required to help us grow. You see, when you are an entrepreneur, what's important is your vision, and in fashion, your creative vision. The rest should be done by who? People who surround you, or find those who can help you to get there where you want to be. When you start your business, you do everything yourself. Your main goal is to find what I call product market fit, prove basically that there is a market for your product and you can sell it systematically to similar people. Once you found your way forward to your customer and you have consistent sales, you become more open to find people who can take your knowledge and do whatever needs to be done to help you grow. So when you scale your business, you should have other people doing for you and helping you grow. As an entrepreneur, it's not your role to execute at this stage of business, but rather find people who can execute your plan and help you grow. Likewise, at I'm Fashion, we help entrepreneurs to find first their product market fit and then put in place systems to gain consistent orders. From there, once you have achieved regular sales, you start searching for people who can help you maintain this growth and scale your business. Then I make calls with my clients to help them identify those strategies where they need to put their attention first. I help them grow by identifying weak points so they can react quickly and implement the strategies I advise. And most of the brands we help started with the same mistakes. First, they buy stock or invest in agency, press or influencers. Then they try several times, even a couple of years to sell it, and then they end up running out of cash, but lots of stock is around and it is not sold. Instead of focusing on their customers and finding product market fit, they focus on their stock selling process. But the thing is, without knowing your market, your stock will not go away. And it is not a question of which platform to choose or which ad to launch. So my role as a coach is to show them the North Star and keep them focused on what is important so they can achieve greater results and be proud of themselves. Their business is a mean of self-expression. So if the business is not working, you need to fix this first, because this is how you can achieve greater things. You will have enough of freedom and independence to offer more of your creativity to this world, and this is what you need to do. So if you have a business problem, you can come up to me and ask for help. You can book a call with one of our brand experts and see how we can help you. The link is in the description box below. The happiest day of my business week when I create content for you. I write down first what I want to tell as a story, and then I film myself talking to the camera to tell a story and help you find solutions in your entrepreneurial life. I know how hard it is to be alone and feel alone when you start your fashion business. I've been there. I think the more we help each other, the more we speak to like-minded people, the better you become in what you do, because you gain confidence and you know that you can make it because others in the group did it already. This is how the sensation of belonging helps you to build a business and confidence in yourself, as well as the legacy as a fashion designer. I really recommend, if you haven't done yet, become a member of our free new fashion school group. This is where you will join like-minded people and you will create the business that you dream of by participating in our challenges, connecting with others and asking for help. By asking, you learn, and by learning, you become successful because you know what works and how to make it happen. So, did you find this video helpful? Like it and hit that subscribe button. I also invite you to comment on whatever topics you want me to cover so I can better relate to you, and I know that those topics is what interesting for you. Do you like this topic? Say yes in the comments. And if you want to know more how to become a successful fashion designer, watch my next video about the smartest route to 10K a month straight after this one. And let me know in the comments what do you think of that one. See you there!